Because the processes in our production facility take weeks to run, maintaining reliable power is important. The most critical equipment, such as the distributed control system, are powered through large uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS power. The UPS systems are fed by the 900 kVA emergency generator in the event power from the utility is lost for more than a few seconds. In the event power is lost for more than a couple of minutes, other key systems, such as bioreactors and water purification systems, are powered by the backup power system. Each of the largest two containers houses a 2 megawatt generator. The other large container houses the control system. The two smaller boxes in the middle are transformers that increase the voltage from 480 volts to 13.8 thousand volts, matching what we normally get from the utility. A 26,800 gallon tank of diesel fuel ensures that this system will be able to keep us running.